What's up, you guys? It's your favorite girl, Ashley, and I'm here today with another mukbang. So, you guys, today we're having lunch. We are downtown Lakeland at a restaurant called The Chop Shop. This place is supposed to have like the best burgers in Lakeland, okay? And we're about to have some lunch. It is so warm outside. It's like 85 degrees, and I'm out here. We're sitting outside because it's so warm, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Okay, you guys, so here is the food. Okay, so I have the salmon burger. So it's salmon with aioli on it. Yum. With a house salad. That's creamy Italian dressing. And then I also got a half order of onion rings. Ronnie got a burger with fries. He got the mac and cheese burger. Okay, and then I got a nice glass of Moscato. It's super hot out here, y'all. It's like 85 degrees. Okay, and inside these cups are water. See, just some iced water. So there you go. So you guys, look at that. Look at my salad. Yum. That is a creamy Italian dressing. I love these little vessels they put it in. Isn't that cute? I'm mostly excited about this salmon burger, y'all. Look at this. Y'all know I love seafood. Look at that. Look at my salmon burger, y'all. Mmm. And that is good, y'all. It tastes like a huge salmon cake. Taste your mac and cheese? Why? What's wrong with it? Ronnie wants me to taste this mac and cheese. Oh, sorry, I forgot the camera's this way. It's really bland. That mac and cheese is This salmon burger is good. You want to taste my salmon burger? You want to taste the salmon part?
No, I'm good.
This salmon is so juicy. So the salmon burger has the big salmon cake, right? Then it has lettuce, tomatoes, onion, and pickles, and garlic aioli. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so hungry. It's like 5 o'clock, and I haven't even eaten today. Moscato. It's so sweet. I know I love pepper. I wonder if they be cleaning the salt and pepper shakers. This is good. This is the house salad. It has lettuce, tomatoes, onions, carrots, cheese, peppers. That's good. Yeah, we right here on Main Street. And I'm sitting here filming, eating. People looking, I don't even care. So you guys, the Chop House are famous for their onion rings. And the garlic aioli sauce that come with them. Look at this onion ring. They're like diner style onion rings. Like if you're from New York, Brooklyn, you know how the onion rings are at the diners? Look, just like that. That's garlic aioli? Why it looks like it has, oh, it has cream cheese in it. Look, it has cream cheese in it. Do you see it? Let's investigate, y'all. Y'all know I always want to try something different, so I could try to make it. This garlic aioli has chunks of cream cheese in it. Whoa, I put a lot on that bite. Look at that. Wow. That is so flavorful. You good? Hey, always messing up Ryan food, y'all. If he don't gotta wait a long time for his food to be the last one to come to the table, it's something wrong. They put dry ass mac and cheese on his mac and cheese burger and no cheese on it. Poor baby. Is the burger good? This onion ring. Go up a little bit. Right? Back a little bit. Back up a little bit. Okay. These onion rings are so good.
I think it's
Yeah, I'm right here in the middle of Main Street filming. I don't care. But taste these onion rings. They're like diner onion rings. You don't like nothing. The bottom layer is dry a little bit. I was so hungry, and now that I'm eating, I feel like I'm getting full already. Looks like it's about to rain.
crazy. Alright, man, sorry.
This place is super reasonably priced. This salmon burger and salad was only, I think, $11. This is so good. Well, see, it's like a big salmon cake in there. I don't think I've done a salmon cake video. I need to do one. I make good salmon cakes. It's crazy because we were so hungry. I feel like I'm full too. Mind you, I haven't eaten at all today, like nothing. It's already 5 o'clock. Michelle done ate 2 times already today. I done seen 2 different food pictures already. I gotta stop waiting so long to eat. Well, I'll be up all night till like 5, 6 in the morning. What time am I supposed to wake up? And the nighttime is when I shine. I answer all my emails, do my editing. I feel like I draw people into businesses. Every time I be outside eating somewhere, mad people start coming in. Every time. They be like, yo, she like she enjoying that. That shit look good. Let me go get some. Okay? Right, baby? Every time I eat a burger, it's like I eat the bottom bun and the top bun and be like there. Huh?
How much pizza got like extra large pieces or something? That's a huge boy.
Go get a slice. We're down by this pizza place that has like some of the best pizza here. It tastes so close to New York pizza. Like almost there. Eat it.
Really packed it in.
You ate today?
I ate some chocolate chip cookies this morning.
Cookies? Yeah, this is like a garlic aioli with not just mayo. It has like cream cheese in it too. It's so different. Well, Is that a burp? I'm done. Yo, so many people looked at me and my food and came in. Like, people should pay me to sit outside their restaurants and eat. Look, more people coming. They come, they see me, they stop right there, and they come in. But this is not just here, like mad different places, right, babe? What? Very good. Let me get a bite. Let me taste it. Wait, taste that nasty ass mac and cheese off.
Yeah, I took it up.
Yeah, this is Ronnie's burger. I'm gonna take a bite. Why is it so dry? You put ketchup on here, babe?
Yeah, I put ketchup in there.
That burger you had last time was so good.
They must have got a different chef. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, you should see his face.
Sure.
You should see his face. I'm so full. One bite, I'm done. It's good. I'm done. I have a little bit of salad left. I'm done. Whew. I'm done, y'all. This was another mukbang. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I've been getting like such a great response on these videos. I eat kind of boring, but if you guys want to see what I'm having when I'm out, or if I cook something and decide to show you guys, you know, I will. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys.
Don't slip up or get caught. Why not?